Hi guys, here most of them get answer 99 for this problem in wrong order. Here 2 plus 3 power 2 is 9 times 2 plus 1 in bracket whole power 2. Here 2 plus 9 is 11 times 2 plus 1 in bracket whole power 2. Here 11 times, here 2 plus 1 is 3 power 2. Here 11 times 3 power 2 is 9. Here 11 times 9 is 99 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 99 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. This is a bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before this operation. Here 2 plus 3 power 2 times here 2 plus 1 is 3 power 2. The next priority is exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this addition and multiplication. Here 2 plus here 3 power 2 is 9 times here 3 power 2 is 9. So we have here addition and multiplication. Here next priority is multiplication and division. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition. Here 2 plus 9 times 9 is 81. Here 2 plus 81 is 83 is the correct answer.